Hey everyone, this is a super easy tutorial on how you can set your TV to AV mode. Now it happens to everybody, it's just pretty basic, but you may use a new form of TV and you might not understand how to set it into AV mode. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on that. So what you're going to want to do is turn on your TV and locate the input and source button on your remote. Once you found the input or source button on your remote, some TVs might even have it on the TV. Click on that button and select the AV mode from the option list and make sure that you have something connected to the AV module or the AV I'd say outlets, and you will have enabled AV mode and you can stream or watch anything through that. Now if you're on an LG TV, in our case, you're gonna have to just select this input button right here. It's this center button, and that's basically going to switch to the mode selection, and you have a lot of modes: HDMI, TV, cable. You can go ahead and select the AV mode, and that's about it, everybody. So that's how you can set the LG TV to AV mode with your remote. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.